Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of marine battery chargers, and we've got something special to share with you. Hey there, folks!
Today, we're talking about the best lithium trolling motor battery available in the market, and it's none other than the NOCO Genius GEN5X2. This smart marine battery charger is packed with features designed to keep your boat powered up and ready to go.
Let's dive in and take a closer look. First off, let's talk about power.
The GEN5X2 delivers 10 amps of charging power, with 5 amps per bank, making it perfect for 12-volt batteries, including AGM, lithium, and deep cycle varieties. But it's not just about power, it's about precision. This charger offers selectable charging modes for different battery types, including 12 volts, 12 volts AGM, 12 volts lithium, and even a 12 volts repair mode for all your lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries.
Installation is a breeze, thanks to its redefined mounting system. Whether you're mounting it upright or upside down,
this charger is designed to withstand the elements with its fully sealed, waterproof construction.
And speaking of durability, this bad boy has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it can handle anything Mother Nature throws its way.
From brutal life cycle testing to thousands of hours underwater, the GEN5X2 is built to last. But don't just take our word for it.
Customers rave about the performance, ease of installation, and overall quality of this charger.
Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned sailor, the NOCO Genius GEN5X2 is sure to impress.
So there you have it, folks.
The best lithium trolling motor battery on the market, the NOCO Genius GEN5X2. With its powerful performance, precision charging, and rugged durability, it's the perfect companion for any boating adventure.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest tech and gadgets.
Until next time, happy boating!